Welcome to my channel. Check out 2 recipes of mouthwash to do at home. Using mouthwash can benefit your teeth and gums. But most products found in supermarkets and drugstores contain alcohol and chlorhexidine, which can turn the experience a little unpleasant and even affect the tooth enamel negative. Besides, some products are tested on animals. One way of preventing animal cruelty, toxic additives, artificial preservatives and colorings, and the burning sensation is to make a natural mouthwash at home. Not to mention it is way cheaper. You can save money, help the environment, and avoid harmful substances, all at the same time. One of the most simple recipes is made with baking soda, tea tree, and peppermint essential oil. It combines the basic properties of baking soda with the bactericide action of peppermint oil and antiseptic the action of tea tree oil. You will need 1 bottle with lid, preferably glass and sterilized, 1/2 cup of filtered or distilled water, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 2 drops of tea tree essential oil, 2 drops of peppermint essential oil. Mix all ingredients together. Since baking soda increase to accumulate in the bottom of the bottle, always shake it before using it. Use 2 to 3 teaspoons and rinse your mouth for 1 or 2 minutes a week. Another simple mouthwash recipe is the one with apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a natural lightener that helps remove stains from cigarettes and coffee, besides making the gums healthier. You can even brush your teeth with ACV. Many dentists don't recommend apple cider vinegar since prolonged use can damage the teeth. It is important to dilute ACV in water to reduce the damage and avoid using it for long periods. To make an apple cider vinegar mouthwash, you will need 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 glass bottle. Mix all ingredients together and pour into a glass bottle. Shake before using, then rinse your mouth with it. Do a second rinse with water to remove any residues of ACV from your mouth. So, did you like it? Why not try these recipes? Outro text. Thanks for watching.